10 Benefits of Rolling Over 401k to Gold IRA. 1. Hedge against inflation. Gold preserves purchasing power when fiat currencies decline. 2. Diversification. Adds stability by balancing traditional investments with gold, which has a different market behavior. 3. Long-term value retention. Historically, gold maintains its value, making it reliable for retirement planning. 4. Tax advantages. Tax-free rollover preserves retirement funds' tax-deferred status, with growth staying tax-deferred. 5. Protection against market volatility. Gold often moves inversely to stocks, protecting savings during market downturns. 6. Liquidity. Gold IRAs offer liquid assets that can be sold if needed, though it's best to hold long-term. 7. Global demand. Continual international demand supports gold's enduring value. 8. Tangible asset. Physical ownership provides security compared to paper-based assets. 9. Potential for capital appreciation. Gold can grow significantly during economic crises, offering investment upside. 10. Estate planning benefits. Gold can be passed on to heirs, maintaining value and simplifying estate division. In conclusion, rolling over a 401k to a Gold IRA provides stability, growth potential, and diversification for a secure retirement. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.